VFX Nexus is already a great system for tracking shots within VFX and animation projects. Where VFX Nexus stands apart is in its collaboration features. We take the needs of the artist and put them up front. That's what we'll be taking a look at in this screencast, as well as getting a feeling for the typical artist workflow. This is a standard login screen, and what we have here is the typical starting point for an artist, which is the My Shots page. This is a great spot for an artist to check in with at the first part of a work day, as well as from time to time to get a feeling for the progress of all their shots and any changes in status. On this My Shots homepage, I will notice that I have a shot down here that is set to high priority. We'll enter the shot by clicking on the shot number. Here we have a typical shot page with all the details needed to do this shot. Imagine having a web page for every shot in a project, and on that web page is a blog dedicated to just the progress of that shot. And that is exactly what we have here. Key information on the shot is all right here. Its status, we need to create a rough version of this shot. Version, the animatic of this shot has already been approved. Number of frames, 98 frame shot. And as an artist, I may be spending the day working on this shot. At the end of the day, I may have a version that I feel is ready for review. So I'll enter a note. Now that I have this note, I click Add, and it is listed right here in my Messages area. I change the status to Review and Edit, and I'm going to change the version to Rough Animation. Click Update. Now I'm done for the day, and I log out. Now we're going to assume the role of a supervisor. Supervisor comes in, enters their login information, and is presented with a different kind of homepage. This is the overview homepage. I'm interested most in my snake movie, so I'll click here for more information. I'll see that one of the shots has been set to a review and edit status. This corresponds to the shot the artist was working on the day before. Click on it to find the information. I then have my review session. Whether this is in a daily session or part of a bigger review process, that will all vary depending on the style of your workflow. But we have a note for this shot, and we think that the color of the snake submitted could be better. Again, I enter my notes here. I've taken a screen grab from this VFX shot and marked it up with some additional notes. By clicking Add, it uploads the image and adds the note to our blog. You'll see that this newer note is authored by someone else, me acting as supervisor. The note appears over here. There's an image here. Clicking on the image will bring it up to full screen size. An additional thing to notice, as a supervisor, I also have the ability to delete notes. I also have additional status options I can change the shot into that an artist could not. I'm going to change this status to Revise Shot, and again click Update. My work session is over. I'm logging out again. And now I'm resuming my role as the artist. Artist comes into their desk, logs in, looks again at their My Shots page. I see that one of my shots has been set to a status of Revise Shot. Go in, back at the shot detail page, I find my message, I get a compliment on my work, and I have some notes that I need to also address. Once again, the process continues. I work for the day addressing these notes. I enter that here. Once again, I set the shot to a review status and click Update. The supervisor will see an update has occurred to this shot, realize that a review is now requested, and the process will repeat. Thank you for taking a look at VFX Nexus. Collaboration in this way keeps a record for everyone to reference at any time. By having these notes at your fingertips, communication will be at its most effective whether working in the same room or remotely around the world. Please feel free to contact us at info@vfxnexus.com for any more information or to answer your questions. Thank you.